Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have the second of 4 hotel room tours from my California trip 2024. We are currently at Hotel Burbank, literally checked in 2 minutes ago. We are in Tower C in room C0317. So we're going to get in this room and I will show you around. When you come in the room, directly to the right you have your ironing board, a hanging rack, with quite a few hangers on actually, and there's also what looks like a same day service for dry cleaning, I guess, and a little bench thing. Then we have the bathroom, which is quite a loud extractor file. So we've got towel rail, we have a nice little sink wash area here with your standard little toiletries, shower cap, body lotion, face and body soap, another one of those as well. You've got your tissues, your toilet, artwork, then you have your shower as well. Oh, and a hair and body wash, and then a conditioner on the wall. Straight opposite the bathroom door, we have this full-length mirror. Apologies for how I look, I've been traveling all day. We've got quite a large space, we're using this for our suitcases. We then have quite a big TV on this unit, which as you can see contains a microwave, and then in here we also have a fridge. This is just to store your own things, it is empty. No minibar or anything like that. Then we've got this nice little desk area right here. You have an ice bucket with some plastic cups, and then you've also got a coffee machine, and it tells you how to use it, and you've got things here. A little bit different from the UK, it feels anyways. Yeah, definitely. Along with your coffee cups there at the back as well. Nice comfy desk chair. And then in the corner we have this little seat. And if I just stand far enough back, you can see both beds. These are queen size beds. Nice double lamp in the middle. And then here we have the aircon unit. Right there. It is currently dark, it's just after 6 o'clock LA time. And this is the room. This is a nice overview. It's actually quite a big spacious room actually. Maybe a little dated, but this is it. Just before I finish off this room tour, it's now daylight, it's the next day, but I figured I would show you that this is the pool. It is outdoors. It says Hotel Burbank on the wall. And then this is also another building, so it's actually a 2-towered building. And there's a little sort of garden over there. You might be able to see a little water feature, and when you can walk through those gardens over there as well. We're on the 3rd floor of 19. I'm kind of glad we're quite low, but just figured I'd show you all the outside. Now, let's finish off this video. And that is it for this room tour of the Hotel Burbank. As I say, little dated, but we're only here for 2 nights. It will definitely do the job. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me. Comment down below, as always, just for the hell of it. And hit the big red subscribe button to check out lots more content on the channel, what is of course still to come, and tinkle that notification bell so you are notified every time a video goes live. And that is it. I have been Disney Matt. Thank you for watching everyone, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.